Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Professor NFT here. So, like always, before I get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. All right, so before I get started, I do want to apologize to you guys. I haven't been posting that many upcoming mints, but that's because I already made videos of those upcoming mints coming on February. I do have more NFT projects to look at. Unfortunately, they just don't have a release date. But here is actually a good quality project that I'm looking at it from the art perspective. Xenobots project. So Xenobots is a collection of 2,000 NFTs made on Solana blockchain. Has a bunch of utilities that we'll see in a bit. But let me show you guys their art. And this is actually their trailer. Let me lower down the volume for you guys. So the trailer is actually pretty dope as well. Just look at that art. I love it. They're actually minting in 3 days from now. So let's go ahead now and open up their Discord. So mint date is the 8th of February. Mint price 1.5 SOL. Currently they have 6,766 members. And now let me show you some quick sneak peeks. I already showed you guys that. Let's go back to their website, look at their roadmap. That's really important when you're looking at projects. We all know that. So the roadmap, I liked it. Looked simple. It looks something a team could deliver. So, of course, the pre-sale is going to go on, the public sale, the listing on Magic Eden, and then their token release, their Xeno. So the holders will actually get the token airdrop weekly and a token that can be used in the Xenotech futures, and then they're going to have legendary auction as well. Phase 2, so this is what caught my eye. It was breeding and mechanical engine. So they're going to provide a breeding system, you guys, where you can breed your original Xenobots to make a new gen of the new Xenobots. What a great idea. Plus they got fusion engine. This is where they're going to burn the supply by mixing the two of Xenobots into a new Xenobot with new uniqueness, power, and value. Plus, they got the merch. Phase 3, of course, the Xenobots game, the DAO Xeno show, which they're trying to make an anime-style series for Xenobot stories. They do have lore behind this. Go ahead, check out their website. Let's go ahead and hop back in their Discord. I want to show you guys this really important piece of information. As you know, tokenomics. We know that's real important when it comes to an NFT as well. So as you see here, breeding, you're going to be able to make a new gen of the Xenobots. You're going to speed it up to 5 days with 500 Xeno that you could get. Mini bots hatching will take 30 days. You can breed them 4 times. So this is pretty dope. Staking, of course. Who doesn't love staking? And fusion. Combine your 2 Genesis Xenobots, become a new Genesis Xenobots V2, and 1,000 Xeno required to run the fusion engine. And here in the Discord, they tell you how you could use the fusion engine, same as the breeding. You can also mix their Xenobots on their official website with their token. And this is where you're going to be able to mint. So go ahead, you guys. If they don't sell out in public, I am going to try to mint this. If they end up selling out, I'll have my eyes on it on secondary. Not sure. Depends what the price is. Not sure if I'll buy on secondary, but I'll have my eyes on it as well. And before we end this video, I do want to let you guys know about this project, Fly Guys. Super early, guys. I'm not even in their Discord yet, but go ahead and give them a follow. It's trust me, you guys, this is gonna explode when it releases. Go ahead, give them a follow and turn those notifications on as well. Super early, you guys, super early. All right, that's all for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.